Did you know, hidden inside our park full of so many natural wonders are 3 water play areas. We have areas perfect for any age, whether you're a baby or an adult. First stop is our Water Oasis area, where you can find our Water Oasis expansion, our wading pool, and our splash pad. Here, you'll find our splash pad that's perfect for the little ones that aren't quite ready to make big splashes but still want to be a part of the water fun. Planning on spending the entire day at our water parks with the family? You're definitely going to want to check out our colorful cabanas. We have plenty of seating at all of our water play areas, and you can sit back, relax, and feel safe knowing that you are at close distance with your little one. Here at our Bathe the Bucket side, you'll find much more excitement, bigger slides for much bigger kids. Was Water Oasis a little too much excitement for your little one? Well, then I have just the park for you. Let's go check it out. You're going to find smaller buckets and smaller slides here at Lakeside Splash, but it's going to be just as fun as Water Oasis. You can also visit our website to learn more about our colorful cabanas and their features, and much more about our water parks. We hope to see you soon!